Hi there, my name is Sriram and I'm building Onhand, an education agent that helps you learn by adding highlights and notes to the page directly instead of just in a separate chat window. So I built this with GPT 5.6 and with Codex, and it's really helped me, flesh out this application and make it so much better. And I'm actually running this on GPT 5.6. So let's start with the demo. So I want to ask what multi-head attention means because I'm a little confused what this term means. So I'll ask Onhand, what does this mean? And I just highlighted it. So I enter, and then it's going to open up Onhand's own PDF viewer. And there's also a voice mode that I could have used, but it's real-time voice. So if I was using it, then I wouldn't really be able to talk over it and discuss what it's doing. So as you can see, it has highlighted the multi-head attention. And you see it's now going to go to pages 4 and 5 to see what's there. So now we are going to go, and yep, now at page 4, it's highlighted. Instead of forming a single attention function, multi-head means repeating attention with different learned projections. So separate heads can capture different relationships in parallel. Okay, so now it's giving me the answer. Multi-head attention means a transformer runs several attention operations in parallel rather than just one. And if I click these buttons, you'll see here, 1 takes me to multi-head attention, and the citation number 2, they're like Wikipedia style citations. It'll take me to this part. And each head uses a different learned projection. Think of it as several readers examining the same sentence from different perspectives, then pooling what they noticed. Then I don't know, let me ask, how much better does multi-head perform compared to single head? I spelled that wrong, but that's probably fine. So I'm using Pi, the agentic framework, as my backend, and it's running all directly in the browser. This is a Chrome extension, fully. You can download it from the Chrome store right now. And I'm running this through the Codex subscription. So my GPT, Pro subscription is powering this with GPT 5.6. If I go into the options page, you can see that, Codex sign-in and GPT 5.6 will. So, okay, now what it's done is when I asked this question, I went a little bit deeper. So it looked here and then highlighted, it went to page 9, and it says, okay, in this paper's controlled experiment, 1 head is this and 8 heads is this. So there is a 3.6 relative, I think, improvement, and the paper warns that adding too many heads reduces quality. So there's a pretty marginal, like a pretty big improvement. And then you can see these citation buttons still work. So Onhand works on PDFs. It also works on HTML pages.